Welcome to the ultimate buying guide for the BionFit Spin Bike. Designed to elevate your home workouts, this bike seamlessly blends innovative technology with user-friendly features, helping you reach your fitness goals. Let's dive into what makes the BionFit Spin Bike the perfect choice for your fitness journey. The BionFit Spin Bike is designed with durability and performance in mind. It features a heavy-duty frame made from premium imported materials, ensuring long-lasting strength and reliability. While its specially engineered edge-free oval design pipes provide extra stability for a smoother, safer ride. With BionFit, you get the perfect blend of strength, design, and safer ride with confidence and push your limits like never before. Comfort is key for longer rides, and the BionFit Spin Bike ensures just that with its adjustable padded seat. With a generous 10 cm width, it lets you find your ideal riding position. Additionally, the 52 cm distance between the seat and handlebars provides extra space, ensuring a relaxed and comfortable ride every time. Whether you're tall or short, this bike is perfectly suited for people ranging from 5 feet to 6.1 feet in height. The handle height can be easily adjusted across 5 vertical levels, while the seat height can be adjusted across 7 vertical levels. Additionally, the seat can be moved horizontally by up to 7 centimeters, ensuring a perfect fit tailored to your preferences. The BionFit Spin Bike is designed with sweat-free handle grips for maximum comfort and control. Ergonomically crafted and moisture-repellent, they offer a secure, durable grip that's easy to clean, ideal for intense workouts. The built-in pulse rate sensor lets you track your heart rate and stay focused on your fitness goals. With its sleek design measuring 41.5 inches in height, 19.4 inches in width, and 39.7 inches in length, this spin bike fits seamlessly into any space. This exercise spin bike is built to support riders with a weight capacity of up to 120 kilograms, ensuring durability and stability for users of all sizes. The BionFit Spin Bike features special cross-pedal straps that are secure, adjustable, and designed to provide a stable ride, enhancing the effectiveness of your workout. Featuring a 6-kilogram flywheel, this exercise bike delivers smooth, consistent cycling. The heavy flywheel enhances speed, stability, and overall workout quality, ensuring a reliable and seamless training experience. The BionFit Exercise Spin Bike features an easy-to-use resistance knob, allowing you to easily adjust the intensity of your workout from a light ride to a challenging session for a personalized fitness experience. The BionFit Spin Bike is equipped with a spacious, easy-to-read digital display that tracks time, distance, calories burned, speed, and pulse rate, helping you stay on top of your workout. The BionFit Spin Bike also features convenient wheels for easy mobility, allowing you to effortlessly move and store the bike whenever needed. The surface balance level regulator on an exercise spin bike helps stabilize the bike on uneven floors, ensuring a smooth and steady workout by adjusting the bike's balance. The exercise spin bike comes in 3 variants: 1. Yellow spin bike, 2. Red spin bike, 3. Blue spin bike.